If you only have a narrow space, then this small walk-in closet design is perfect for your room. It is not easy to associate the walk-in closet with a small room. Generally, large rooms and houses with many square meters available come to mind. But the wardrobe that allows you to enter it is so popular that various solutions have been created to create it even in small-sized environments. One of the most common is certainly to move the bed away from the wall and, if there is the necessary space, create a walk-in closet there. At the same time, there are also those who have designed the anteroom or a section of corridor so that it becomes a passageway equipped with shelves and hangers. One of the most popular arrangements when looking for wardrobe space is the one behind the bed, using furniture as separating elements, without the need for plasterboard walls. Rather, you can opt for a partition wall, an idea for walk-in closets that take the place of the more classic wardrobe and with a few extra centimeters offer a room within a room. A fairly large room will be needed. You need to calculate that you have at least 130 centimeters from the headboard of the bed to the wall. And this by providing the minimum measures of 80 centimeters to move and a shallow wardrobe without doors or sliding doors. By avoiding hinged openings, it is not difficult to create a wardrobe with two container walls.